I am growing a thriving food forest in containers.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back to my food forest in containers. Thank you all so much for tuning in. A warm welcome to all you, my new gardening family. Enough love to you, my faithful gardening family, and my channel members. I appreciate you all. Thank you all so much. Alright, so let's get to the highlights. Lots of pear tomatoes coming through. Look at blooms. The plants are even hanging over right now. Look at my mulberry trees that I recently stripped. Looks like I'm finally going to get gooseberries. That makes sense. This is the biggest I've seen it come before. So, looks like the tiny ones that I didn't want to try, I'm glad I didn't try them, because look at that over there. It's way bigger and it is not even ripe. I'm glad I didn't taste the little ones like this one right here, because they were ripe and I was saying, no man, these look too small. I'm so happy I followed my mind. Look at my papaya tree that I recently devoured. I recently cut the tops. I did put this cup over the plastic wrap nevertheless, because when I saw the rains I was like, oh my god, I'm not taking any chances. So I just put the cup over it like that. Look at that already. This is so encouraging. Very much encouraging. A lot of persons confirm with me that they've done it and it worked. Thank you so much, everyone. So this is the other one. I did put a cup on it as well, like this. Oh, it looks like something wants to grow right here, so but I don't want to move the plastic. Let's see if I can burst it through. Alright, I'm just going to try to burst this little section through so it can get a chance. But look at those coming up. I feel so happy to see them. Put it back. Look at that, guys. I'm getting another banana pepper right here. This little one over here continues to make progress. My little baby right here. It is protected. It is actually growing. I did top up the containers and had horse manure to them. These are the squash we planted yesterday. And the chayote, look at it. Remember, just the other day, just a few days ago, we planted this baby and it is soaring to new heights. It is coming up nicely already. I pray it continues in Jesus' name. Oh well, I cut these red callaloo or red amaranth because look at them, guys. I've never seen red callaloo grow back like if I cut them like this. So I need to see for myself if they actually do or if they actually will. So I leave it like this instead of taking them out completely. I know about the green callaloo because I've done it all the time. So I will see. I think these babies over here trying to give me something. Quite a few of them fell off already. So let's see. These are the two victims. My bell pepper or sweet pepper victims, that all the bell peppers that came up on it prior to now were eaten down. And look at the plants. That was about sometime last month. Yes. So I'm so delighted to see that the plants, they're trying to do me something again. This little cucumber vine right here, look how many male flowers come up already. It just looks so tiny. I see this one is trying to push out some there as well. I did add the horse manure to my strawberry plants. I made sure to stay away from the crown, so I keep highlighting that we don't want to get our crowns covered. This is the other one. And you know, sometimes you water and things shift, so we need to take note of that as well. My sugar baby watermelons popping up. Guys, look at my fig tree. It is doing so well. It has come such a far way. I mean, wow, it is doing so well. I am so proud of it, very proud of it. And it is putting on something here. I don't know if it's another shoot or what. I will have to learn how to propagate them and stuff like that. But see right there, I don't know. And I'm looking between the stems right there, the main stem and the leaves, and I'm seeing those stuff like all my fig growers tell me, what is this? I am going to do my research, but I would love for you to tell me nevertheless, seeing that you're experienced and this is my first time. The peanuts are popping up. If you are not growing peanuts and you really like peanuts, it is actually one of the easiest things to grow. So grow you some peanuts. I got me a few more marigolds to go in my garden. And for the persons that have been asking, marigold is actually great for your garden. A lot of pests don't like the smell of marigolds. Also, they attract pollinators to your garden, like bees, butterflies, and it has a lot of health benefit as well. You can do your own research. So yes, that is why I love having them in the garden. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet done so, and drop me a comment. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.